People Production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers. Big up on myself, all my lion and my lioness. Kings and queens, I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this video finds you all in the best of health. No, my people, I get a video, I don't know how recent it is, but I say, yo, what are the scammers them got off, allegedly. See, we don't know if some of them people are really scammers or them just at the wrong place at the wrong time, or phone call and phone connection mix them up with them, or they are really scammers. I don't know. But may I play the video for you. Watch what I go on.
Come to Put TV at the right place, and it's the dog gone away.
Poor People Production presents WWP, a hit single from Rust American Natural Onyx. Worldwide peace. Get it on all digital networks, iTunes, and all other platforms. Stream it today. Contact Poor People Production 1-876-808-6301. Mama brother.
North to the south to the east, Europe and the Middle East. Take the violence out the streets. I'm begging you, please.
8 Jamaican nationals were today extradited to the United States on a 66-count indictment related to lottery scamming activities.
So we really want to be clear to everyone here in Jamaica, both the law-abiding citizens and the lotto scammers, that this is just the first step in a multi-pronged, multi-year effort to ensure that these criminal scourge is taken care of. This is a joint operation between CTOC, MOCA, and a wide variety of U.S. federal law enforcement agencies, including the FBI.
Members of the Fugitive Apprehension Team, US Marshals, US Postal Inspectors, and the JCF each played a role in the processing of the named individuals. Police Constable Jason Jahalal, Alric McLeod, Anil Brown, Kimberly Hudson, Dario Palmer, Janu Ann Morgan, Dahlia Hunter, and her son Kazray Gray.
For these alleged criminals, they have been charged with a conspiracy to defraud over $5 million from America's most vulnerable citizens, and we are 100% confident that they're going to be spending decades in jail.
The U.S. authorities have enjoyed a 100% conviction rate of all of those who have been extradited under the advance fee or lottery scamming laws. And according to Joshua Polachek, there are many more to come.
Right now, we have dozens of extradition cases that are already at the extradition stage. Another 300 to 500 are pre-extradition stage. And between the Jamaican investigations and the investigations in the United States, we're looking at 3,000 to 5,000 active investigations. As you can see, the first ones are being loaded onto the plane right now. They're going to be flown to Oklahoma City to be processed by immigration, and then another flight to Bismarck, North Dakota, where it is 0 degrees right now. It is going to be a long 20 years in a federal penitentiary in North Dakota for these alleged criminals.
Mr. Polachek admitted plea bargaining would be available to those being extradited in the hope that a case can be built against the controllers of the lottery scamming operations in Jamaica.
Unique is that we've not just gone after the scammers, but some of the people providing support. As you know, there's a police constable who's part of this extradition case. That shows that no one is above the law, and that if you provide support to these scammers, together we're going to find you, we're going to identify you, and we're going to get you onto a plane back to the United States.
Joel Crosskill, CVM News.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, you can see the jar in the man's face. Like him I say, yeah, them get catch and long time, them under surveillance, and right now them gone back to America to face them justice, you know. And why, my sister, you know fear if you know, say, yo, people that take people earn vulnerable people money and all of them things there, and you can't tell a man to live them life. Every man for them own judgment, you see me? Yes, and the next thing you me I tell you say, yes, Lee. You see me? Why, the crime rate as well, you know. Yes, I hate to bring up the crime rate right now in Jamaica. Especially in Mobay, you know. The crime rate is so high. You see me? It's based off all the scamming and the gangs and dons And some of the bad man them link with the artist them. Let me hear I go on, pan what I go on. But my point of view of all this is stop the killing and the crime and the senseless killing. No make sense. You know what I mean? Grew up with one another, we not kill off on one another. And Mobay, one time we say country, town hotter than country. Right now come like country hotter than town. You see me? Yeah, the badness turn up a country right now. And it's not just Mobay, the other countries as well. In Jamaica, you know? Yeah. Maypen, all of them places. We just have to stop the crime. Zine, stop the crime and stop the killing. And my viewers and subscribers, let me know, give me the feedback and let me know what you think. See? Don't know, big up on yourself, peace and love. Lionfoot.
Check out the new single.
You know the side, Marrick and Natural Onyx, sending out a positive message for the nation. Let's come together and stop the segregation. Hey, we're leaders, gang leaders. Stop the crime, take the violence off the streets.
Crying out for worldwide peace, north to the south to the east.